Hi, and thank you so much for watching today's episode of Missal in a Year, where I will take a Gregorian chant allotted to each feast day and share it with you. If you'd like to support this work, you can find links to do that in the description below. I'm so grateful for any support you could offer, but most importantly, your prayers, which, along with the monetary things, is how this work is made possible. There's also a link to my Patreon page down below, which you can subscribe to if you wish. If you want to subscribe for free, click that subscribe button on YouTube. I hate saying it because I feel so cringy. But hey, subscribing to me on YouTube is how this channel gets a bit of a boost, so I'd be grateful for that. There, I said it. You might want to check out my website if you're interested, liketheheart.com. There you can find more about my mission and my artwork if you're interested in that. And yeah, praying for all of you, and I will see you tomorrow for another episode of Missal in a Year.